How to update Instagram on your phone. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to update Instagram to the latest version with the new options. All what you have to do is so simple, so please keep watching until the end. First thing, go to Play Store as you can see, and then all what you have to do is search for Instagram on your Play Store and click on it, and you will find this green option. It says update. Then all what you have to do is click on it, and then your Instagram is gonna be updated with the new options, easy and fast. This is very easy as you can see. If this video was helpful, so please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more educational videos like this one, and you can check our other Instagram videos.